Il-ħamis filgħaxija l-film By the Sea li Angelina Jolie u Brad Pitt ġibdu f'għawdex fetaħ l-American Film Institute Festival f'Hollywood, Los Angeles, California. Fil-premier tiegħu il-film ħalla impressjonijiet kontrastanti. Kienu diversi dawk li raw il-film bħala artistiku u mhux wieħed immirat għall-Oscars. Qabel il-premier tal-film, Jolie Pitt stess irrimarkat li l-film huwa dwar Niket ispirat mill-mewt omma. Niket li però jirrifletti f'relazzjoni problematika ta' żewġ karattri ewlenin interpretati minn Jolie nifisha u raġel tagħha Brad Pitt.
It's something that I think connects in a way that it's hard to say that it's important or that people should go see it or enjoy it, but it's something that you say really it's a piece of art, it's not commercial, and maybe if you're young and haven't lost or haven't been in a long relationship, you won't even understand it, but if you have, it might connect, and I hope it really does, because for me it was important to try to do it, and it was important to do it for my mother, it was important to do it for myself, and it was wonderful to work with Brad.
Fil-fatt kien innotat il-pass mhux maġġel u intimu tal-film li jixħed id-dawl fuq ċerti mumenti u dettalji, kontrast mal-pass maġġel li jikkaratterizza bosta films kontemporanji. Opinjonijiet u gosti apparti, il-kummenti kienu pożittivi li x-xogħol sar b'mod professjonali. Ix-xenarju preżentat fil-film ukoll kien il-mira ta' diversi kummenti fosthom gorgeous u idilliku. Ma setax jonqos li l-mezzi tax-xandir ikollhom il-lenti tagħhom ippuntata lejn il-koppja Jolie Pitt li għal darb'oħra ma ddiżappuntawx u d-dehra tagħhom kienet deskritta bħala glamorous u impressjonanti. Il-film By the Sea se jibda jintwera fis-swali taċ-ċinema Amerikani fit-13 ta' Novembru.